take a quick second to show the new toolkit. So it's ready to go. There's just a few pieces of information that aren't ready yet that will be updated. So when you log into the toolkit, it's got the quick links like always. So this is kind of your pertinent information. New is the desktop icons. So if you can get someone to the toolkit by getting them to the Canvas staff page and go to the teacher toolkit, then they can download the desktop icons. They just download it. It's a zip file. You open it up, you drag the icon on there. Another new thing on the quick links is this quick sheet. This is a printable sheet that you can keep in your room. So it has a QR code to the toolkit itself, and it'll have QR codes for the daily schedule, the staff sign out sheet, the staff location chart, which I don't want to put a QR code right now because we don't have the new one yet. So once we get the new one, I'll add that. And once we get lunch detention sorted out, I'll add that as well. So this way you could print this out, keep it in your room, and access these things on your phone quickly and easily. The tabs on the toolkit have the daily schedule, daily announcements, the Bearden calendar, the weekly notes, the staff handbook, which has been updated, the emergency procedures, that has not been updated yet. So when the 21-22 version is up there, we will make that change. And same with phone extensions. These are last year's phone extensions. Once the new one is here, we'll put this on there as well. So that's all with the teacher toolkit. I took a lot of the suggestions that were mentioned from that end of the year survey. There's a lot of information on here. I try to keep these quick links relevant, and so after this week the pre-service stuff will go away. Device deployment will still be there. Some of this stuff will go away once we get rolling for the school year. If you have any questions about this teacher toolkit, please let me know.